today I'm going to be doing like a quick get ready with me. Just finished washing my hair, and I have like this cute protective style that I did, and I actually recorded a video of me doing it, so I will tag that video above so you guys can click on it if you're interested in learning how to do this style. One of the things about like protective styles that a lot of people don't realize is that you have to wash your hair. Even when you have braids, even when you have twists. A lot of people, they get the braids and they get the twists because they're trying to, get a break from their hair, but they don't realize that you still need to keep up with them. You still need to maintain them. You still need to moisturize. You still need to wash and condition. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the products that I've been using, and a lot of these products are new that I just started using, but I do like them, and they are really easy to use if you have a protective style. So first, washing. So I wash my hair with this Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight, and I really like it. It's different. It has a very like strong kind of aloe, fresh birch water like smell, but it's really good. I like it because it has the tip on it, so you can easily like pour it in your hair. So when I was buying products, actually when I bought products that were going to be easy for me to use when I had braids in my hair. So this is one of them. I wish somebody would come out with a shampoo that has like a spray bottle on it, because that would be so much easier to be able to wash your hair. And then I'm also going to be using the Talia Wajid, and this is actually my first time trying one of her like conditioners. One thing I love by this brand, they have like it's hard to find, but they have like a detox shampoo and conditioner, like two-step type of thing, and I love it. I mean, the detox, it's like minty, and I think it's like charcoaly, but it makes my hair feel really good. So that's something that I always like to use when I take my protective style out once I wash and detangle my hair, but sometimes it's hard to find, so I may have to order it this time, like from Amazon, if they don't have it in like a beauty supply store near me. Then for an oil, I'm going to be using this Miel Mint Almond Oil, and my mom in love actually gave me this. It's good. I like the scent. I like the smell. I use this. You can use oil like this, like not just when you have braids, but whatever type of hairstyle you have. But it's good to oil your scalp when you do have braids, because that's going to help your hair retain moisture, and it's also going to help with hair growth. So while you have your braids, wash your hair, like get that water in, because you have the braids so your hair will dry. Get the moisture in, because when your hair is natural and it's out, you're not going to feel like washing it all the time, or it may be more difficult for you to wash it once a week, which is like recommended, like if your hair is in like a wet natural state. Once a week is, I guess, like the bare bones minimum. I'm not gonna lie, I don't always do once a week. I have done it at points in my life, so I have noticed a lot of growth. Now my hair, it does grow because I do try my best to take care of it. I do protective styles every so often. Stuff like that helps your hair grow. But if you are trying to grow your hair and you wear your hair wet a lot, you definitely need to be washing your hair like once a week. And I know it's hard, but while I have braids, I've been washing my hair once a week with the braids. I have this towel on. I know it probably looks a little some type of way, but because as you see, my hair is dripping and I'm just not in the mood for it. I'm really not in the mood for it. And y'all know I love a hair towel. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it down. Here it is. So as you guys can see, like, it's really wet and everything. And you see I have a lot of new growth. So that's about like an inch of new growth. And me, I'm somebody who has a dry, my scalp isn't like super dry, but it's not super like normal either. So I need to be moisturizing, make sure I'm conditioning as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the Intense Moisture Bamboo Coconut Milk. And this one is actually for, it says on here, which is why I got this one. I was debating if I wanted to get this one or if I wanted to get the Miel one with the spray bottle, but I chose this one because it has aloe and sunflower oil. And then it says, care for your hair underneath protective styles, weaves, braids, wigs, crochet, updos, two-strand twists, and faux locks. So this one seemed like it was actually created specifically for protective styles. So I decided to do this. And this style is actually like a crochet style that I did. And I always get a lot of compliments on my hair. I know like it looks kind of crazy now. I don't wear it down anymore because I've gotten so much new growth, and it's crazy, y'all, because I haven't even had these in for like a month. Like I think I've had these in for maybe like 3.5 weeks or something like that, and I already have like so much new growth. You see it, but this is what happens like when you wash your hair. You know, when you're moisturizing it, it will grow underneath your braids. And this one also has biotin in it. So biotin is something that helps your hair grow. A lot of people take it, so you can take biotin through tablet or capsule or whatever, but you could also put it inside a product and put it directly on your hair. I'm just gonna spray like on my roots first. In the front, get them edges, y'all. Protective styles are also help your edges grow back, but the key is not to, if you're getting it done by someone, don't let them do it too tight, or if you're doing it yourself, you don't want to do it too tight at the roots. This one smells, it's kind of hard for me to smell this one because it smells so similar to the shampoo, and that shampoo is really strong. But yeah, it's difficult. Let me spray some more. Just have to. So as you guys see, I'm kind of like taking little sections, but I'm definitely doing this all over the bathroom. Like I can see little spots all over the mirror. So let me try to do a little bit better job of this. You're just gonna take your sections and spray them, and you just kind of want to like get it all throughout. Me, like I have hair like all the way down here, so all the way down here you can't see, so I need to like make sure that it's getting all over. This style, like after a while, it starts to kind of look like dreads, which is fine, but I've been wearing it in the bun, and the bun is really cute, and I'll show you guys like the style I've been doing and how nice it looks. Okay, so we've put the conditioner in, and this is a leave-in conditioner. Another thing I like about this product, because I don't have to rinse it out, so in the shower, like all I have to worry about doing is washing my hair, making sure it's nice and clean, and then I can just come in with the leave-in. And y'all know I love me a leave-in. Like if you've been watching my hair videos, especially the recent ones, you know that I love a leave-in. It just handles everything. So smell wise, this one, and again, it's hard to smell because the shampoo is so strong, the Carol's Daughter, but I'm gonna tell you guys what it smells like. So smell wise, this one is like has like a really light smell. I could smell like the bamboo and the coconut like a little bit, but it's kind of faint, which can be a good thing, you know. Maybe if you want something that's more strong, maybe you might want to go with something that's strong, but I think this is a good, just like regular protective style even that you can use. And my hair towel came off, and that's okay because at this point my hair is like pretty much dry enough. I'm gonna get like the fronts of my hair, and I like to like smooth it down like this. See how it's helping it absorb? You see that into my hair? Cool. I cannot wait to take these out. I'm gonna be taking these out. I want to leave them in for at least 2 months. Like I know like braids are recommended for like 6 to 8 weeks, so I'm gonna try to get to that 8th week mark. I'm ready to take them out now. I'm not even gonna lie, because they don't look cute. But again, like I'll show you guys like my little bun that I've been doing, and that looks cute. I don't even know why I try to record when my phone is low. I set myself up. I do every time I set myself up. So far, I like this Talia YG, but honestly, like I just wish it was giving like more, you know. But you know, try for yourself, you know, see how you like it, and who knows, like maybe that could be contributing to the reason why like my hair has grown so much, because my hair doesn't usually grow this much having my hair in this style. It does grow a lot, but like, I mean, again, like it hasn't even been a month and it's already grown so much, so that's kind of crazy. Next we have the Miel mint almond oil, and I really like this oil a lot for its smell. It's like I have different things I like about all these products. Like this one, I like the smell. This one, I like what's inside of it. This one, I like the smell, and I like what's inside of it, and I like the way it makes my hair feel. So this one is like win, 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 win. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the oil in my hair. So this product would be better if there was like one of those like little bottles that had like the tip on it where you could pour oil into, but we're not gonna worry. We don't have to have everything fancy. We just gotta, okay, so you can see the oil there. And when I'm doing it, I just want to like go on the parts, like some of those major parts. You see? You just want to lift it up. Cool. So now we're gonna do this way. I can feel it already. This is gonna be difficult to do on the back. My sister, she always has her husband do it, or me. I just come home and out of the blue, she be like, "You gonna oil my scalp?" I'm like, "You always giving me tasks. Always giving me tasks." But that's okay. That's what sisters are for, right? Because she'll get a task from me quick too. So for the back, I'm just gonna try to do my best to just get each area, because it's a little bit difficult, but you can kind of feel where it is. And then we're gonna go this way. Okay, wonderful. So this one I just put on my scalp. I don't put it all throughout because, as you know, hair health starts where? At the scalp. So it's gonna absorb, it's gonna soak in, and it's going to get throughout my whole entire head. We don't want to forget about the edges, just like before. You see my hair is already like curling up in the front just from the oil and the leave-in. So this here is a problem area that I have, and you see like how much hair has grown here, because this wasn't hair that was inside of the braid where I left it out, and you see how that's grown. Okay, wonderful. So those are all of the products. Hair maintenance, let's run through the list again. 4 protective styles. All you need is a shampoo. You need a leave-in conditioner that you can put in after you shampoo, and then you need some type of oil and moisturizer. Now, a lot of people do put gel on their hair to kind of make it look more presentable. Me, I'm not gonna do any gel, to be honest. I'm just gonna wear my hair in a bun. It looks really cute. I'll show you guys this style. So how I do my bun is I put all my hair down to the front. Some of you guys might be like, this is so basic and simple, but y'all don't understand how many compliments I've gotten on my hair. So I just want to kind of share this style. And I like it because it looks natural too. Like it's not just like your regular braid style. And here we go. See, it's so cute. Still drying, but it still has like that cute natural hair look, little baby hairs out. And what you could do is you can add like a little headband if you're going out, but you see like this, it gives more than when it's down, you know. So we don't want to be out here looking crazy, but I'll show you guys what it looks like with a cute headband. So this is like my favorite headband. I wear this one all the time. See, this is a nice cute look. You see the hair is like my curly hair is popping through, and this is like a nice natural like cute look if you're going out, you know. It makes it look a lot cuter. Throw in the headband. Sometimes I like to even like pull a little piece out. I don't know where, maybe not this kind, but I like to like a little piece out, make it look cute. So this is how you refresh your protective style. how you make it last. Your hair is protected, my hair is clean. I can literally feel like the mint like literally rejuvenated my scalp. It smells good, it feels good, it looks cute, you know, it's a nice natural style, and it works. But let me know if you guys like this video. If you guys would try this hairstyle, I'll link the actual tutorial above on how to do this crochet twist style, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.